What's up, guys? I'm vlogging today. It wasn't planned, but I'm vlogging on my phone.
You're lying.
I'm at my parents'.
You still see her? She's on the floor.
Dude, it's cold. My hands are freezing. It's so windy.
It's so cold. Can you pick me up?
My cousin made up
Why did we get snow in
a
February?
snow angel.
Brielle, you're gonna get. Mira, mejor ya no
Bruh.
me hace
Oh my god, it's so cold. My hands are freezing, bro. Guys, for those who don't know, I live in Texas. We've never had this coldness. We're from Texas, check. This is not Texas, check, because it should not be like this. Guys, no siento. I do not feel my hands. They're super cold. It's windy. It's still snowing. It started snowing since yesterday today at 1 in the morning, and it's gonna keep on snowing all day till 1 in the morning tomorrow. And then we're supposed to get more snow on Wednesday, so we'll see how that goes. But my cousin is here. This is my cousin Priel. This is my cousin Ikia.
Y'all know me already. It's so cold.
And my sister.
Hey.
I don't feel my hand, bro.
Bro, así estaba yo.
It's Sunday today, but we didn't have church, obviously, because of the snow. Is there a snowflake? But let me show you guys. Let me end this clip and show y'all cómo se ve. We're at my parents' house right now, by the way. I hope you fall. I hope you fall. Look at all this, guys. We were gonna make a snowman, but heck nah.
Huh?
I said we were gonna make a snowman, but
I guess because these are different material.
yes, this snow is like so soft, so it's not sticking very well. Stop throwing snow at me. Throw it to Ikea.
Oh no, I made it. I'll save this ball.
Bro, it's cold. Guys, I had not vlogged. We went inside after we were out here in the last clip because it got too cold, but it was windy, and now the snow is it's still falling, but it's not as windy. So we decided to come out here a second time, and it's already gonna be 5 p.m. I think, and it still looks bright, but it's because of the snow. It's like super white, so you know the light is out. My brother came by just a few minutes ago, and then he left with my niece, and my sister-in-law did not come because of the baby, because it's too cold to take him out. But we're gonna play in the snow right now. We're gonna go check it out. Oh, I swept up here on the deck, and I like piled it up all right there because I want to see if it's gonna get full up here again. So yeah. Oh crap, I saw the dog. I don't know if y'all can see the snow falling. Yeah, y'all can right there. Guys, so me and my cousin came over here to the street to see how it's looking, and it's gonna be pretty bad because the snow, it's like setting down on the street now, and so it's getting super slippery, and you can't literally take it off at all. Watch. So as much as you try to take it off from the street, it's not coming off. Like, that's it. It's literally slippery. This is the whole entire street in my mom's neighborhood. So wish everybody luck. Wish me and Brian luck when we go home tonight. Look how windy it looks. Oh my gosh, ya se está soltando más el aire, right? Look at that. Oh dang. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Guys, we came sledding to the school where we used to come to. Well, me.
Sledding?
Go. Hurry, because my hand is getting so cold. Ahí van, ahí van. Bro, acá está frío todavía.
Because it's cold. It's just a little chilly. Move.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, but we got home. Well, yeah, we got home yesterday, and then we had a little Bible study with the youth group, and then we are back here today. But at 6 in the morning, the power, we literally had a blackout everywhere in the whole entire city. Is this a town or a city?
City.
Denton. and then I got on social media and it said it was a statewide emergency. So pretty much the whole state of Texas is on blackout right now, but they're taking turns with everybody putting on the electricity in certain parts and then shutting it down again. With us, they shut down 3 times and then they brought the electricity back and then again and then they brought it back. With my parents here at their house, it's been off all day since 6 a.m. And so yeah, but it's not cold. Luckily, my mom has a gas stove, so that's helping the heat stay in. We're not doing anything because it's super cold outside, but I'm trying to convince them to get up so we can go outside because my friend Carol made ice cream with the snow, and people are actually going out, even though they said that the winds were gonna be bad and hypothermia this and that, and yeah. Also, we got 8 inches of snow. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna go put my jacket on and show y'all. But I'll be back. Guys, guess what? I literally stopped recording and this happened. That's all they wanted, chargers. So I'm outside, guys. It's like super bright. This reminds me of Colorado because of how bright it is outside. But look at the snow, the little hill that it did. I don't know if y'all can really tell. Look at the ceiling. I'm just waiting for that to fall on me. We have not stepped over there because of how deep the snow is right there. Like that little hill is crazy. I kind of want to go in there, but I feel like my dad said not to go. But I mean, look at the shovel. Estoy grabando. Chicho anda acá afuera haciendo del baño. Look at that. That's deep. Look at that. It's crazy. That's deep. I don't know where my dog went. He went to pee. Guys, look at my baby. He's so old already. I don't know if y'all remember my dog. Look at him. He's cold, but he doesn't want to go inside. I think he's shivering because he's old, but he loves, this is his type of weather because of the fur. Look at him. He's really trying to go in there. Chicho, you're literally... Guys, he's gonna get stuck in there. Oh, he peed right there. Don't eat yellow snow. Come on, métete para adentro. Para arriba. Por ahora. Holy Jesus! Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting. I don't know when was the last time I vlogged, but after the last clip that I vlogged, we went what's it called? Sledding again. I'm sorry. If y'all are looking at this, I'm using a flashlight right now because we came home already, and whenever we got home, well, whenever we were on our way over here, as we were driving, like some street lights were on and some street lights were off. And as we were driving, on one side everything was on, and then I don't know where everything just like shut down completely. So we were trying to look for something to eat because there's literally nothing open right now. The only thing that was open was McDonald's, and that thing was packed. There was about 40 cars lined up to get food all the way out the street. And then we found a little Chinese spot that we have around our house, and luckily they got us food. I think we were the last ones, right? We were the last ones. Yeah. And so we got some fried rice. We ate. Well, whenever we got home to like literally there was no electricity whatsoever. So that's why I'm using a flashlight right now. Ryan found some candles that he had from whenever he proposed. And so that's literally what we're using right now. They're like the little tiny candles like that. And so that's what we're using right now. And I'm just wearing a hoodie, and you know, hopefully the light comes back on in a little bit, because my phone is going to die, and on top of that it's gonna get cold. Do you have anything to say? Where are you?
I just busted out of los tigres.
Yeah,
Just for backup.
it's the thick blanket, the thick black Mexican the thick Mexican blanket. We have one right here, and then he just got another one, and then I have one right here, a red one. And then on the comforter, yeah. It's like super soft and warm.
It's a blanket too.
Yeah, so we should be pretty good. So, and I'm sleeping with the hoodie on. And then I have my thermals on. So yeah. But that's what's going on, guys. This has never happened. Well, and the last yes, it's back.
Okay.
Turn on the light.
We'll live.
We're good. We are good. Oh my gosh.
For now.
No, we're good. They better not turn it off again.